I want to tell you, these have incredible arch support. And right now, they're 25% off during our March Support Spring Sale.
Ma what?
March Support.
Try the other one on.
I tried them. They fit.
Your feet are different sizes.
I know my feet. How do you know my feet?
Those feet kick me every night.
Is there another gray? These are kind of loud.
Yeah, I think we have a more muted tone in back.
Hey, Jerry. Look who I found.
Wow.
Told you you'd be surprised.
Stunned is more like it. I can't believe I'm standing eye to eye, nostril to nostril with the top of the wall of quitters.
The top, that's pretty good.
You were the worst employee ever. You sold one shoe in a week. One. Not a pair.
The guy had one leg, Jerry.
You walked out of here on the busiest day of the year. Shoe on day. You left me with one person and he was trampled to death.
Death.
He'll never be the same.
Jerry, in all fairness, I walked out of here once you whipped a shoe at me.
Hey, you want to work here, you gotta be tough. But no, you're not tough. You're on the wall of quitters.
Can you...
What? Yeah, gimme.
The elderly. Those soup slurpers don't even know that Jeopardy isn't real.
Have some respect, will you? Now look, take that in back, then come back out and say it's the absolute gray, okay? They don't have a clue what we're talking about anyway. They're practically compost. Go. Do you even know what's been going on here since you left for the big city? Oh, yeah, the big city. Streets are wider, people are taller, everybody eats appetizers.
What has been going on around here, Jerry? Did Tivas make a sneaker?
There he is. Oh, yeah, the comedian. I'm gonna tell you something. We became famous. People come from all over the world to shop at the toe shelf. Do you know where this couple of old farts are from?
I don't know.
Idaho. Idaho. 40,000 followers. Yeah. Wonder how many you had.
Well, hey, no, it's not that many, but it's an engaged group of people.
7,000 followers. 7,000? But kitchen tables have more than 7,000. My aunt's ass has more than 7,000. Her corgi's ass has more than 7,000 followers.
That's not true.
Imagine, you'll have to become famous. Oh.
Jesus,
Yeah.
Jerry, the dance.
Could have got famous here.